What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. Today's video is made possible thanks to Innovate Racing USA. This is a short multi-location shoot that we did when recording a video for their new line of forged beadlock wheels for the Chevy Colorados. Hector's in his built diesel Zr2 with RRW wheels, as well as Junior representing the stock class in his V6. We scrapped the desert shots and considered up-close crawling footage instead, but luckily Junior knew a cool rally style spot on the way. Seriously, same day, maybe same zip code, and it's raining. So tweaked my alignment a bit, no big deal, got it running straight and rock crawling ready. Hector's is built. Junior has bumps in the back but nothing up front. I had spacers, I'll blame the damage on them, but learn from our mistakes. Stock equals reliable. I know a lot of people really like Lido Creek. This isn't really a Lido Creek review, but I'm not a fan. We packed it up because there wasn't any great recording locations. You couldn't get in there. And it was just too many river rocks, so I was worried about wheel damage. So we just packed it up.
Oh, big old gash out of yours.
And this would have been the damage report, but again, nothing to report. Some nicks in Junior's wheels from who knows when, so we just aired back up. And Hector's truck was fine also, as you can see. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. Please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage, but stay tuned. Been super behind on editing and have a lot of good stuff coming up. So until next time, keep beating your vehicle, keep upgrading it, and of course, keep it dirty.